Hey everyone, today we're talking about the WD-40 Specialist Silicone Quick Drying. This is an 11 ounce or 311 grams bottle and it is super cool. Check this out. It has the nozzle and the sprayer as well. You just switch them out and that is so useful right there, so you can reach places that you might not get to, and then you can just put it down to a regular sprayer again. The directions are super simple. You gotta shake the can 20 to 30 seconds before each spray. You then flip the straw up from the stream to the spray and then spray directly on surface that needs to be lubricated. We actually use this on our big windows and glass doors that slide because they were having trouble, and it also helped clean them a lot. They were very dirty, and again, it is waterproof, multi-surface, and it protects against rust. So get this for your house, spray it everywhere you can. It's definitely worth it. It's super quick and simple, and your windows and anything you need to slide is going to slide so much smoother. Go check it out.